scanning the room to see what I can learn. I see a toy, memorizing it. That is a Spider-Man, I already know it. That is a stuffed animal, I already know it. That is a llama, I already know it. That is a purple object, I already know it. I see a camera, memorizing it. I see a rubber duck, memorizing it. That is a toy car, I already know it. I see a ruler, memorizing it. I see a pliers, memorizing it. That is a car model, I already know it. That is a pencil, I already know it. That is a screwdriver, I already know it. That is a tablet, I already know it. That is a keyboard, I already know it. That is a balloon, I already know it. That is a Spider-Man figure, I already know it. That is a tripod, I already know it. I see a shoe, memorizing it. That is a toy dog, I already know it. That is a car, I already know it. That is a metal container, I already know it. That is a tool, I already know it. I learned toy, camera, rubber duck, ruler, pliers, shoe, and I recognize the things I already knew. Here is everything I learned today. This is a toy. This is a camera. This is a rubber duck. This is a ruler. This is a pliers. This is a shoe.